Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your video in CapCut PC easily. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for editing the video for the first time. So I'm going to select the uh, image and to add text just click on text. You can add default text, perfect, or just text template. You can add the auto caption from your video. So for example, I'm going to select default text and you can adjust for the duration the same length with the clip. And you can change for the text, just see for the option right here. Sorry. Click on the text clip and sorry. You can change for the text. You can change for the position and the size. You can change for the font style. Change for the color. Add style. You can plain um, just for the opacity. You can add stroke, background, and shadow. So that's how you can add text to your video in CapCut. See, I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.